Direct from the Six, world-renowned, Canada's largest city, with Canada's biggest thinkers, visionaries, and hustlers. This is Startup Talk, featuring the founders, funders, innovators, and community leaders who've led Canada's startup ecosystem right here in Toronto. You'll hear the challenges, the failures, the successes. Toronto's Startup Podcast gives you the full story direct from the entrepreneurs and influencers who've made a difference. Now, the host of Startup Talk, the founder of TorontoStarts, the Startup Coach.
What are the key lessons you learned on your entrepreneurial journey?
The key lesson I learned is how important to make people around us successful and have the mindset to really optimize the success of the people around you rather than myself. It's so much we can do as a team. They're moving into the same direction. At the same time, embracing the differences of great minds from our industry partner, our client, and even our team. I think, the greatest learning I realized is that as a technologist, how important it is to put the focus on people and what truly inspire them, motivate them, what is the motive behind it, why are they doing certain things. And then think about what technology can be as an accelerator or a leverage for them to be more successful. So I've realized that actually bring me joy and satisfaction to knowing that, hey, I was able to bring part of those to the picture. And so I think that's greatest learning for me. And actually basically ultimately getting to know myself a little bit better. To turn out not just a tech nerdy guy. I'm very much actually find it fulfilling to be able to help people.
So where can our listeners go and find out more about Openhouse.ai and your work, Will?
Oh, it's simple. It's just go to our website, Openhouse.ai, or look at us up in LinkedIn. I know our team is actually constantly pushing even our latest research and what we have been doing, helping our client. So Openhouse.ai, that's the website.
And the links will be in the podcast show notes for anybody listening. And we'd like to leave our audience with one actionable tip with our entrepreneurial audience you'd like to leave with thought.
I guess just if you are coming more from my own experience, I was working in big corporation, head of R&D for, different public company. If you are one of those, you might say, hey, I actually want to do something different, but constrained by big corporation policies. And sometimes just give it a try and take a leap of faith and you will figure it out.
Great advice. Take a leap of faith. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us about Openhouse.ai and the work you're doing and some of the advances in the AI field I hadn't even knew about before today. This has been a great discussion.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for everyone listening and watching.
This has been Startup Talk, Toronto's startup podcast. For more exclusive content, the episode vault, and to be part of Toronto Starts community, visit TorontoStarts.com. Get your name on the newsletter mailing list and check out our upcoming events. For more episodes, subscribe now. And please recognize the time and work behind the scenes put into connecting you with the biggest visionaries, entrepreneurs, and innovators in Toronto by leaving a 5-star review. Join us for more next episode from Toronto's most active entrepreneur and startup community on Startup Talk.